Hi darling, welcome back to my channel. My name is Shaniska, and if you are new here, hi, welcome. It is so awesome to have you with me here. On my channel, I do makeup tutorials for my beginner beauties out there. So if you're a complete beginner, then you are in the right place. So you can go ahead and subscribe to my channel, join the family, and we are going to be getting into today's video. Alright, so today's video is actually going to be a super awesome product review. Like, oh my gosh, I just come on here sometimes and I get so excited because these products are just so amazing. Not only is this product super amazing, but it's also very useful, and I think that you guys will like it. That is the reason why I'm coming on here sharing this exact product with you guys. So without any further ado, let me introduce you to the product I'll be reviewing today. Here it is. It is a brush cleaner. The box is so huge. Let me give you all a flip of all the different corners. So this is a brush cleaner, and you can see from the size of it to my head, it is pretty, you know, it's pretty big. I decided to review this product with you guys today. This is not my first impression of it. I've actually pulled it and used it already. So this package comes with a brush spinner, a brush spinner bowl, a charging station, 8 collars, call them collars, or rubber holders, a charging cable, and also a cleaning solution. So soap. It also gives you a 2 years warranty on it, so you have that for a little extra security. I also got it on Amazon. Well, I didn't get it, but I got it as a gift. It was purchased on Amazon. Alright, so on the box it has 3 easy steps on basically how to use it. So they say first one, you dip, and then the second one, you spin to clean it. And not only that, but you also spin to dry it. I know, right? When I saw that, I was like, oh, that's so amazing. You can spin to clean it and then also spin to dry it, instead of having it sitting there like overnight like I would normally do, and then dry it and have it ready to use the next day or whenever you're ready for it. So without me talking too much, let me get into what is in the product here. So the first thing I have is the base, and the base is really premium looking, and it feels pretty premium too. So it's very affordable. I probably should have told you guys that it's very affordable. I will put the price somewhere on the screen, how much it costs, I don't remember, but I'll put the price somewhere on the screen for you. So it has 3 levels of power. Once you turn it on, this is the lowest one, and it's on blue. Once you turn it on, you press it again, it goes up a little bit, and then it turns green. And then you press it again and it goes all the way up, so it's on max right now. It is at the 3rd level, and it spins really, really fast. I don't know if you can hear it. You hear that? And then once you press it one more time, that is it. It turns off. So all you need to control this and work this is this little button right here. So that's all you need to do to control it. It also has the charger port right here. So once you're ready to charge it, you just flip it up to where the bottom is, and then you put your charger in. Guys, if you've seen my nails, please excuse my nails. I have not done them yet. I'm like, you know, so don't worry about it. They need to be done, but they're not done yet, so don't worry about my nails. All right, so the second thing I want to show you guys is the holder. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 of these rubber holders, and these are for the brushes. This also had the port here, so once you put the base in it, let me see if I could do it for you guys while you're watching me. Here, I got it. So there, so it holds, and all you do is just pull it out. It's not really hard, but it kind of is sturdy in there. So these are the rubber holders. I would say either keep them in the box or keep them somewhere where it won't get dusty, because for mine, I had it out and it got a bit dusty. It's pretty easy to clean once it's dusty though. All I did was get a wipes and wipe it off, and all the dust came right off. Like, it's not dusty anymore. So you have different shape, and then you have this little holder here, or where they go on. There, back in the case. And also for that little holder, let me just do a quick demonstration to show you. So here is the rubber holder, and then here is the base, the controller, whatever. All I do is just, let me see, I want to make sure you guys can see. So all I do is position it and put it in on there, and that's it. I'm gonna show you how it works in a little bit, but I want to show you the last part, which is the bowl. So in this part, you would fill it up with some water and some soap. With this one, it came with a makeup brush cleaning solution, so some soap, and you would pour it in this, fill it up with a little bit of water. Then you would get a brush and you would just let it spin. I am going to do a demonstration for you guys. I should have mentioned though that this is going to be a two-part to the video. I did not want this video to be long, so this is the reason why I didn't do the demonstration now. I'm just showing you guys the product and letting you know that it's so amazing. This is what I've been using, and I'm going to be showing you guys how I use it to clean my brushes. Okay guys, and the last thing that came with this is the cable or the cord to charge it. It's pretty long, I know you can see, but it's pretty long. And this part goes here. Connect it. But for this part, it does not come with a brick. You would have to probably, I don't know, get one, or if you already have one, just use the one you have, because I just use the one I have. I'm gonna show you guys a demonstration on how this works with a brush. Now the brush I'm going to be using is this one, and the rubber holder that I'm going to be using is this one. And the first thing I'm going to be doing is attaching it to the brush. You do want to use a holder that is tight enough so the brush can hold. So if you have to squeeze it in a little bit, don't worry about that. Just grab it, push it down on there far enough so that when you hold it, it doesn't fall out. You see that? I'm even pulling on it and it's not coming out. So that's exactly how you want it to be. And then you're gonna go ahead and connect this to the base. Alright guys, so it is time for a demonstration. We have everything all lined up. Let me see if I can do this. And I'm going to be pressing the first button for you guys to see the spin of it. I'm gonna turn it sideways. And it just spins. Giving my arm a little bit of a workout. Like, I'm gonna turn it up some more. Ooh. You can hold it sturdy. You realize that it's open. It literally opens. The first time I saw this, I was like, wow. I still like it. Oh wow, it feels really nice on my hand. I'm not really touching it where it can stop. Turning it up, all the way up. But you're gonna have to hold this a bit firm. So it would be hold on. It would be inside the bowl like this. The water and everything. And then it stops. So it is recommended that once you're cleaning your brush, you should let it spin for 10 seconds at a time inside, and then to dry it, I would say give it 10 seconds or more to, you know, just to get it dried, and then your brush should be all good to go. So this is the the blush. This is a brush cleaner that I will be using, and trust me, babe was so thoughtful when he got this for me, because before I would normally be standing either outside at the pipe stand, or inside washing all my brushes in the sink, and I don't gotta do that anymore. I could either go in the bathroom and wash them, or I can sit down and just go ahead and clean all my brushes and have fun doing it, because I do have fun cleaning it. So I'm going to be doing a follow-up video with this product, showing you guys exactly how I use this product to clean my brush, and it is now my go-to for cleaning my brushes. Like, I don't be here using my hands to clean my brushes anymore. So I will be doing a follow-up product for you guys, so you can look out for that one. I want to say thank you guys so much for joining me today. If you are here with me to the end, just type in the comment, I made it to the end. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you have not already subscribed yet. Also, follow me on Instagram so we can connect more on Instagram. And thank you so much for joining me. This is the end of the video. Bye guys.